Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Experience Tutor. Today we will discuss class 9th Science Chapter 1 Matter in Our Surrounding Part 4, and this is our welcome message. Before we begin, we have a request to subscribe, like and share our channel. Please click on subscribe button to support us. And also click on the bell icon so that you can get automatic notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Now let us begin our lesson. Today we'll start with a term called sublimation. So what is sublimation? First let us see the definition. The change of solid directly into vapors on heating and of vapor and of vapor and of vapor into solid on cooling without passing through the intervening liquid state is called sublimation. Now, the change of solid directly into vapors on heating and the vapor into solid on cooling without passing through the intervening liquid state is called sublimation. जब एक सॉलिड को आप हीट करते हो और वो डायरेक्टली वो वेपर में चला जाता है वेपर कण और वेपर को जब आप कूल करते हो डायरेक्टली वो सॉलिड स्टेट में पहुंच जाता है तो इसको हम लोग सब्लिमेशन कहते हैं। यहाँ पे इंटरमीडिएट जो स्टेट होता है, लिक्विड स्टेट, ये नहीं होता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जब हम कैम्फोर और अमोनियम क्लोराइड और अमोनियम क्लोराइड इसका केमिकल फॉर्मूला है NH4Cl को जब हम हीट करते हैं, ये डायरेक्टली NH4Cl अमोनियम क्लोराइड का वेपर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है। तो दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ sublimation. Again, if we cool this vapor of ammonium chloride, it converts to solid ammonium chloride. So there is no liquid state in this case. So this is an example of sublimation. Now, these are all the effect of temperature, due to which one state of matter changes to other. Now we will see the effect of change of pressure. B. Effect of change of pressure. If we compress a gas in a cylinder, the distance between the particles of the gas reduce and finally gas is liquefied or lowering temperature. So what happens? So in a container, if you have gas, then particles are spreaded. Now you squeeze the container. Then what happens? These particles only, they are also squeezed. The interspace between the two particles are decreased now. So what happens? This was in gas. Now this is converted into liquid, and this happens due to the increase of pressure. This happens due to the increase in pressure. So increase in pressure changes the state of matter. From gaseous state it changes to liquid state. Now let us study, this was an example, just let us study little bit detail for this phenomena. So by applying high pressure, the particles of a gas can be brought close together. Just now you have seen. So one example for this is solid carbon dioxide. It is also known as dry ice, is changed into carbon dioxide gas directly without changing into liquid. When pressure is reduced to 1 atmospheric pressure, pressure. So this was an example. Now let us explain the term melting, freezing, evaporation, condensation, sublimation, etc. with the help of a diagram. So say this is a liquid, this is solid, and this is gas. Now just now we have studied this property, sublimation, directly from solid to gas and gas to solid. This is called sublimation. Again, liquid to gas. Liquid to gas is called evaporation. And gas to liquid is known as condensation. Gas to liquid is called condensation. Solid to liquid is called melting, and liquid to solid is called freezing. So these are the three states of matter and different terms related to this, which can be easily understood. Now, evaporation. Now, evaporation. So, a surface phenomena in which liquid changes into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is called vaporization. Is called evaporation. So, liquid changes to vapor below its boiling point is called evaporation. Particles on the surface of the liquid, why it happens? Why it happens? So, we have to understand the phenomena behind it, scientific phenomena. So, what happened? So, let us draw a diagram here. This is liquid. We are talking about the surface of the liquid. We are talking about the surface of the liquid. So, to understand it better, so we are talking about this area. What happens? The particles on the surface of the liquid have higher kinetic energy. So, this particle have higher kinetic energy. Have higher kinetic energy. Due to this higher kinetic energy, the force of attraction between the particles. So this kinetic energy is more than the force of attraction between the particles. Therefore, they started escaping. They start escaping the surface of the liquid in the form of in the form of vapor. So this is the scientific reason behind evaporation. So what are the factors affecting evaporation? So factors affecting evaporation. A. Exposed surface area. Exposed surface area. On increasing surface area of liquid, rate of evaporation is more. So if the surface area of liquid is more, then rate of evaporation is also more. Is also more. Increase in temperature. So increase in temperature. It increases the temperature increases the kinetic energy of the particle. Hence, the rate of evaporation is more. So, increase in temperature increases the kinetic energy of the particles. Therefore, hence, rate of evaporation increases. Increases. Next is C, that is humidity. When the humidity of air, that is degree of dampness of air, is low, so if the humidity is low, if the humidity is low, evaporation rate is increased. Evaporation or rate of evaporation is more, and vice versa. Means when the humidity is more, rate of evaporation is less. In this way it goes. Wind. When wind speed increases, rate of evaporation also increases. So when speed of the wind is more, the evaporation, the rate of evaporation is also more. Now, evaporation always causes cooling. This is an important phenomena. Always causes cooling. This is an important phenomena. Why it happens? Why? So we have to understand. So when liquid evaporates, evaporates, it takes latent heat. It takes latent heat of vaporization. It takes latent heat of vaporization from surroundings which on losing heat get cooled. So this is why on evaporation always causes cooling. Few examples are there. Examples. First, when we put acetone in our hand, it gets evaporized by taking heat from our hand, and our hand feels cool. So when we put acetone, acetone is a chemical substance in our hand, it gets evaporized by taking heat from our hand, and our hand feels cool. Second phenomena or example, we should, these are very important and for the exam point of view, we should wear cotton clothes in summer. In summer, to keep cool and comfortable, as cotton is good absorber of water, so it absorbs the sweat from our body and exposes it to air for evaporation of sweat, thus cool our body, thus cools our body. So this is one of the scientific reason. Next example of evaporation giving coolness. Often, people sprinkle water on ground during summer. This water takes heat from ground and surrounding air to evaporate, thus making the place cool. And this is the end of this chapter. In further videos, we'll discuss about the question answer of this chapter, but it will be coming later in the next week. So be in touch with us and don't forget to subscribe our channel and help us in growing more and more. Please subscribe, like and share our channel to your friends and relatives. Please click on the subscribe button to support us and also click on the bell icon to get automatic notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching. Thank you.